Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Delta Executor upgrade error. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to settings and then go to apps and find Roblox. Click on Roblox and scroll down and then click on storage and then click on clear check. Now go back. Now click on permissions and allow all the permissions. And now go to Play Store and search Roblox and upgrade the game. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.